feels great. I didn't really expect to get it. I sent in an application some time ago. Actually, I think the first year when it was happening, that's when I did it. And then after that, there was really nothing. And also, I just started out my business then, so I understood. But I'm glad that it's come now, and I got my sisters along with me because I was really excited about it. So yeah, I'm really glad I got it. My company is called Rest The Case. It comes from, so when a lawyer is in court, when their case is done and they're done presenting it, they say, I rest my case. So that's where it comes from, because it says that when you come to the company, your case should be over then, because you finally found a solution. So we have lawyers from different specializations, criminal, corporate, family matters, for everything. And we're in about 500 cities in India, and we have about 2 lakh lawyers. So we're a big community now, and so whoever requires a lawyer, they then contact us, and we send them to the right lawyer based on their location and whatever specialization they require. A lot has changed from when I was here, but I'm glad I came. There was a lot of things that I went back to, like I went to Butte Park, and I went to, I just went to the city centre to walk around because that's what I used to do when I was here. I went to a Tesco just because that's what we used to do there. So yeah, it's really nice, and I got to show my family also what I used to do. Coming here was the first time I was ever away from home, so even learning how to talk to new people was something that I used to find really difficult, and I used to be very afraid to talk to anybody. But I could do that after I came here, when I realized that you have to talk to other people, you have to just learn. That's the best way to learn, is to talk to other people and learn from them and what they've done or what they're doing. And even with your classes in general, right? When you're talking to someone sitting next to you, it helps. Which is something I didn't realize before I came here, and that really helped me. I really learned to be on my own and be okay with being by myself, and also understanding the importance of having other people. I think that's the biggest thing I learned here.